Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at how to divide decimals by decimals. Now with this one it's a little bit tricky to look at them. You think, oh, where am I going to start? So if we were writing it as a traditional division sum, we would have 3.35 divided by 0.005. And that just looks really confusing and messy. And what do I do and where do I start? So the first thing we're going to do to start is we're going to remove the decimal point. We're going to move it until it's in a more manageable position for us to work with. So we're going to look at the front. We're going to look at the divisor number here. What would I have to times that number by to get it to be not a decimal? So what we do is we look at how many numbers we have to move. So we've got to move the decimal spot 1, 2, 3 places. So we're going to times that side by 1,000 because 1,000's got 3 zeros. And we remember that if we multiply anything by a number with tailing zeros, we move the decimal place that many spots. So we're now left with 5 into our division, and that's much more manageable, something that you're familiar with. But what we've also got to do is keep our equations balanced. So we've got to divide on both sides by equal sort of quantities. So we've actually got to times this side by 1,000 as well, just to make sure that our quantities are equal. So we're going to move our decimal place the 3 spots, 1, 2, 3. We're going to put a 0 in there. And our new dividend becomes 3,350, which is a much more manageable sum and something that we're all familiar with. So we start doing our operation. Can 5 go into 3? No, it can't. So we put our 0 there. Can 5 go into 33? Yes, it can. It goes 6 times with 3 remainders. Can 5 go into 35? Certainly can. It goes 7 times. And 5 into 0 goes 0 times. So we've now used all of the numbers that we need to use, and our answer is 670 times. The most important thing to remember when dividing decimals by decimals is that the divisor, the number out the front, needs to not have a decimal place in it. If you can remove the decimal place from the divisor, it doesn't matter if there's one in the quotient still, or dividend.